So yummy. Hi friends, welcome to What's Cooking Coco this week again. I hope that you guys are having an amazing week, an amazing day. So we're gonna make a really quick, simple and easy, and oh so good, garlic butter tapatio shrimp. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need. It's gonna be literally probably about 5 ingredients that I know you probably already have at home. And so let's get started. We're gonna need some butter, okay? We're gonna need some freshly chopped garlic. We're gonna need some cilantro, about a half a lemon, some heavy whipping cream, tapatio. Perfect. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna have to put some butter in our pan. And I'm using salted Kerrygold butter. Y'all know I love my Kerrygold. Be very generous with the butter because, again, this is going to be our buttered garlic tapatio shrimp, okay? Then, now that that is melting, we're gonna add our garlic, okay? And I think I cut about like 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. However much garlic you want, you put whatever, okay? All right, so now that that is browning up nicely, we're gonna go ahead and add our tapatio. And however much of tapatio you want as well, however spicy you want it to be, you go ahead and add less or more. That's your business. Then I'm gonna take my lemon and I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of lemon juice in there. Because we have salted butter, I am not going to add any salt, okay? And now add my shrimp, okay? You can get peeled shrimp or unpeeled. I just have some unpeeled shrimp. It's with the skin on, and I'm gonna go ahead and add that to there. And you're just gonna let it cook. This usually, it goes quickly, so maybe like what, 4 or 5 minutes it takes to cook that. Make sure you're just tossing it around so that way it gets all of that garlicky flavor in every piece of that shrimp. So now that that is cooking very nicely, I'm going to add, I like to put a little bit of brown sugar in ours. You can do honey or you can just omit it all at once if you want. I like to do that because it offsets all that heat, okay? We like a little bit of heat, but we also like a little bit of sweet. So we're gonna add that. And then now is the time where we're gonna add our cilantro. So we're gonna go ahead and add our cilantro in the mixture. And it's gonna give it such beautiful color. Look at that. Okay, now we're going to use our final ingredient, which is our heavy whipping cream, okay? And we're just going to pour it over the top, however much you want, because we want it to be nice and creamy. And this, guys, is actually a low-carb keto meal as well. If you take out the sugar, it is totally a keto option for you, and low-carb, okay? Now we gotta make sure that our flavor is on point, as always. So I'm just gonna dip my finger in there. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I think it could use a little bit more spice. So just go ahead and do that. And we are looking like we're about done, okay? This literally shouldn't take any more than no more than 10 minutes from start to finish with your ingredients. So look, it is completely done. Now we're gonna go ahead and plate it and taste it. Usually I like to put this over rice. This is how our family always eats it, but I didn't feel like making rice today. So it's easier and faster to just do it over pasta. And you could literally do this over veggies, whatever you want, put it over, you could use it, okay? And what we love about it is because with our rice, we take the juice and we spoon it all over our rice. And even if you just ate it like that, would be awesome, okay? Let me get a spoon here. And I'm gonna take some of this lovely juice and I'm just gonna drizzle it, just like that, okay? And I'm excited because I know this is gonna be good. You can even just eat it by itself if you wanted to. And we're just gonna go ahead and make it look pretty. I'm gonna add a little bit more cilantro on there. Okay, and then I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of green onion. You don't need it, but it's optional, okay? Now let's go ahead and taste it. Make sure that we get, you can use any noodle or just rice, whatever you want. I'm gonna taste it with the noodle first. Thank you, Lord. Mmm, mmm, mmm. So yummy. You're gonna need a napkin for this because I can tell you, you'll get your hands dirty if you have to peel your shrimp. So, I'm so excited. Yes. So good, guys, and it's easy, so easy. Less than about 5-6 ingredients. Okay. Look at that, just like that. And I'm gonna be naughty and dip it inside the butter. Tapatio sauce. If y'all love shrimp, you guys have to try this, okay? Thank you guys so much for joining me in my kitchen this week. Make this, it's easy and it's so good, okay? And if you make it, don't forget, tag me. Like my YouTube, comment, subscribe, and share. Okay? Love you guys. Bye. One more bite, and then I'm